Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Today we're going to discuss the summary of chapter 9 and the name of the chapter is The Bond of Love. So let's start with the brief introduction of the chapter. The narrator along with his friends was passing through the sugarcane fields near Mysore. People were driving away the wild pigs from the fields by shooting at them. In it, some were shot dead and some escaped. All of a sudden, a black sloth mother bear came out panting in the hot sun, carrying her baby bear. But unfortunately, the mother bear was shot by one of the friends of the narrator. Seeing this, the baby bear began to weep bitterly. The narrator brought it to Bangalore and gave it to his wife. She felt delighted and named it Bruno. The narrator's wife did proper care of Bruno and gave a proper bringing up. Bruno was fed with milk from a bottle. He was given fruits, vegetables, nuts, meat, eggs, bread, etc. and he relished them all. Bruno became very familiar with the family and played with the family members. One day an incident had occurred. The narrator had put down barium carbonate in his library to kill the rats and mice. Bruno entered the library and ate some of the poison. Now he could not stand on his feet, so the narrator took him to the vet's residence. After some time, Bruno recovered. Another time, Bruno drank the engine oil, but it had no ill effects on him. After the passing of some months, Bruno had grown many times the size he was when he came. Now he became very mischievous. The narrator's wife loved Bruno too much. They became friendly with each other. Now she changed his name from Bruno to Baba. The narrator and his friends advised his wife to send Baba to the zoo at Mysore as he was getting too big to keep at home. After much persuasion, the narrator's wife agreed and a letter was returned to the curator of the zoo. The curator gave his nod and Baba was sent to the zoo. Now the narrator's wife became restless and she did not even eat for the first few days. After 3 months, the narrator made a plan to visit the zoo. Friends had assumed that the bear would not recognize her, but when they reached the zoo, he recognized her in the zoo at once and howled with happiness. After spending 3 hours, the closing time came. Now the narrator's wife cried bitterly and Baba cried too. She requested the curator to send Baba with her. The curator told her that permission regarding this can only be given by the superintendent. Now, she visited the superintendent's bungalow and made a request about Baba's release. The superintendent gave his consent and wrote a letter to the curator to lend a cage for transporting the bear to Bangalore. And there, proper arrangements were made for Baba. An island was made for Baba. A wooden box was brought for Baba to sleep in the night. Straw was also placed inside to keep him warm. Now, both were very happy. I hope you liked and understood the chapter very well. And now when you look at the questions of this chapter, you will be able to answer them very easily.